This is my latest diorama. I've been working on this for quite a few years. It is 4 feet by 8 feet in size. It has 375 figures. It has 52 vehicles and lots of buildings. The main story, the main theme is General Patton is directing traffic while much of Eisenhower's staff is behind him discussing maps with some captured German generals. There is a convoy of Shermans passing in front of him, one of which is Creighton Abrams Thunderbolt 7, and they are both snapping a salute to each other as they drive by. The name of it is Logistics, and the reason is because it's going to be one humongous traffic jam. One street will contain hundreds, literally hundreds of refugees going away from the fighting. There will be an XYZ convoy on another street, and then a column of Shermans come the other, and then back toward the back of the diorama there will be heavy equipment trying to clean all the rubble and get the streets passable again. The first photograph you see is by the train shed, which is part of a main train station, and then the city rising above it. Number 2 is a picture of a statue of a German historical figure, a trolley car on the tracks, and what is very common in Germany is an old town. It's the old medieval home buildings that have been renovated. Number 3 is actually a close-up of that. Number 4 is a very large department store that has been bomb damaged. Number 6 is a German Roman museum, which has also suffered a lot of bomb damage. And then number 6 is that department store, a close-up of where one of the bombs actually hit. And then the last one, number 7, is Black Dog, translated from German. Black Dog beer house. That it has an arch over the street, and that's where the convoy of Shermans will be coming through.